we finally got a break in the weather here in Northern California. I'm in the Central Valley just outside of Sacramento, California, and we have been deluged with storm after storm after storm. And then little tiny breaks in between, we get a chance to get out and see the damage that's been done. I've been driving around seeing all the flooded vineyards and some of the toppled trees in the orchards here in the very agricultural rich Central Valley of California. But I've been doing it all in the 2023 Kia Soul GT line. This is the 2023 Kia Soul GT line. This is in surf blue with a black top and a black interior. As you can see, the design is quite stunning. It's got a huge, like a largemouth bass front end, the small headlights, black top, and the really nice sculptured back end of this Kia Soul. So beautiful surf blue color outside. Inside it's got the black interior. This is a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder with intelligent variable automatic transmission. It'll produce about 147 horsepower. Yep, not too bad, fun, gets you around, does the job. It has 2 drive modes. It has a normal and a sport mode. The sport mode, you're going to get a little more power off the block, and you also get a little more of a growl, throaty sound in the exhaust sound. Interior wise, it's got a 10.25 inch touchscreen with navigation and map and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all the things you need in that touchscreen. And then the driver screen has a lot of information that you can use as well. So I'm a big Kia Soul fan. I'm a Kia Soul owner. I've got a 2010 Kia Soul sitting there at home, and I can identify with this vehicle. I like it especially for several key reasons. One, there's lots of headroom. I'm a tall person. I need lots of headroom in my vehicle. Kia Soul's offer that. 2, there's a lot of good sight lines. There's glass everywhere. You really don't have too many blind spots at all, but what you do have are very small. And the third thing I like about the Kia Soul is its value. It's a low price vehicle with all kinds of features that I love and can use. It's got a nice 10.25 inch touchscreen. It's got digital displays that give you up to the minute mileage. It's comfortable and it serves a purpose. It's a great commuter car. So you're not going to be overwhelmed by the power, but it does get up and go when you need it. 18-inch alloy wheels. It also has a roof rack ready. It's ready for roof racks, ready to go. Get out, be active. Safety wise, you get the forward collision avoidance, you got lane keeping assist, you got lane following assist, and the automatic high-low beams for your headlights. It'll turn them down when there's a vehicle coming. Otherwise, you have plenty of light. It's really nice to have in this stormy weather that we've been experiencing here in Northern California. Also nice to have are the auto windshield wipers. That keeps the windshield wipers going at whatever speed is necessary to give you the best visibility. That's a very nice feature. Mileage is fantastic for this 2023 Kia Soul. This gets about 28 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway to average out for a combined 30 miles per gallon. In the weeks driving I had this vehicle, I've gotten about 24 miles per gallon. Base MSRP is $23,390, totaled out as tested $24,820. $24,000 as tested for this Kia Soul. It's 2023. You're not going to find too many vehicles in the low 20s to start out with. Brand new vehicle, the brand new 2023 Kia Soul. It's got value, it's got efficiency, it certainly has the looks, and it's got a low price. Check it out. There's a Kia Soul right there.